Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke, and if you're a new subscriber, a new human being entering my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. Yes. Oh, hi. Thank you so much for all the support and appreciation on my last video, which was my announcing I'm pregnant again video. You guys are amazing, and honestly, I don't even know what to say. I'm just shocked. What I am doing is I'm basically taking you guys through a little bit of a journey today. I am preparing for baby number 2. Obviously, you guys knew that by watching the last video, which I just talked about. But the reason why I am revamping my bathroom is the bathroom had always been baby's bathroom in a way, which I liked because it was, you know, a place where I bathed Amari. You guys have seen in most of my vlogs, you know, that bathroom. But I wanted to turn it into more of a guest bathroom, but at the same time have some of the baby's things in there, just so our house can kind of start coming together. That's why I haven't done a house tour, because we're still putting things in here and there. We like collecting a lot of different pieces, and it doesn't just come in doing everything at once. But with this bathroom, I decided that I wanted to do everything at once because I knew the vibe I was going for. Very boho chic, a lot of whites, a lot of neutrals, like our whole house. Our guests to come in and still feel that homey vibe, but I still want a very nice place that I can like enjoy bathing Amari and, you know, just things like that. So this is the first time I've ever done any video like this on my channel, but by the time I went to Home Goods and Marshalls, I was like, whoa, like, why don't I record this? Because this is something that was just chill, very natural that I was doing. I'll be listing down below where I got everything and linking everything, so let's just jump in. This is currently what the bathroom looks like. I've cleaned this bathroom because before you decorate, you gotta clean. Huge mirror right here and a smaller mirror. This is where I usually like have Amari's bath. I just put his bath here because since I got pregnant, I can't really do his like bath inside the bathtub, and I'll show you guys the bathtub. But now I think I'm going to start doing his baths in our bathroom, or even after I give birth, I will start bathing him when I can bend over, you know what I'm saying? And I'll show you the bath now, but this area, this is how it usually looks. It doesn't really have anything. This bathroom was our art bathroom. So we had this frame of Nigerian currency. It has been there for a very long time. Because this was like our art gallery bathroom, what happened was we put a lot of art in here. It's a shadow box and it has a crystal in it, and that Banji really liked. You know, it's a pretty cool crystal, like it's agave, and it's said to warn off like bad energies or negative energies, and we just felt like we really wanted that in this bathroom. So this is actually what sets the tone for everything else. So this is staying, possibly not the Nigerian notes. We are still trying to figure that out because it might not match the vibe. Pretty small bathroom. So this is where I bathe Amari's bath is right there, which is why I bought shower curtains, because I don't want everybody to be in the guest bathroom and be able to see where I bathe the baby. I want it to kind of be closed off. So right now we had like our Versace towels. We really wanted it to be very, very artsy. So we have Versace towels and this 5th Avenue New York sign that I got in PR. It's a very, very basic bathroom right now. No bath mats. This nice gray tiling, which also matches the gray shadow box. I really like the shadow box and the tiling matching. So this is what the bathroom looks like right now. I'm going to get to work and start trying to figure everything out. Pinterest is always a great place to go for any inspo, and that's where I went. I knew the vibe I wanted, so I got these baskets. I actually thought they came in a set, but they didn't. They came separately, and I had to buy each one of them. Candles are everything. I love candles, scented, non-scented, all of them. Every single thing that I'm using, I have linked, and I feel like they are pretty affordable. Go for a vibe that you feel comfortable with. I got some towels because I wanted to layer the towel. first step before I started decorating the bathroom, I actually bought this bundle of wheat because I wanted a couple of strands of the wheat to go in the vase. I know that they actually sell things like this separately, but I really love the color of the wheat. So I did this, I cut it up, and I just pulled some strands of the wheat to go in this vase. The first step to this whole process was arranging the towels. Now, I'm not going to lie, this was actually not that easy. When I was trying to figure out how to arrange these towels, I just thought, okay, I'm going to take out the ones that were already rolled, because there were some pre-rolled towels and then there were some towels I had to actually physically roll. I bought 2 packs of towels thinking that, oh, well, I'll just roll the other pack. It is not easy to roll towels that are not pre-rolled, because when they're in a bundle like that, it's easier for you to just put them inside. For this part, I just wanted to make sure that all the towels were arranged properly. I put the big towel first and then I moved on to the medium-sized towel. I used a medium basket to try and put the potpourri in it, but after I started putting it in, I realized that this basket was too large. For that potpourri that I was showing you, there are some gray balls in it, so I basically just picked out the white and brown ones, and that basket was going to be too big because there weren't enough white balls and white things in it, and it smells so nice. I actually went back to Homesense to go and get some more because I love how it made the bathroom smell. It smelled amazing. So I put this in the small basket. So you guys know I bought 3 baskets, small, medium, large. I put it inside this small basket and I decided to arrange the towels in the medium basket because I realized that made more sense than to use this for the potpourri. Now, this part I definitely had to figure it out. Now, I know you guys do not see Amari a lot, but this boy wanted me to play with him while I was recording this video, and here he is as a mommy's boy. Hi, me playing with him. I'm coming to get you. Amari kept crying until he needed to know where his mother was, so I put him in a chair and he was perfectly fine and we chilled together. Onto the shower curtain. I was basically just all over the place with this. I just wanted to get it done. Since I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do with that top, I just started putting the shower curtain rings in the shower curtain, and I did it backwards at first and I had to put it, honestly, this today was a lot, but I'm glad I got it done. So I just put the shower curtain rings in there, hung the shower up. I really like how this came out. It honestly looked like a hotel bathroom when I was done, and I love that like white vibe. You know when you go to a hotel and it's just like white. Then Banji came, checked everything out. He actually was really impressed. He loved it. So after much deliberation again, as you can tell, I'm trying to figure this out. See, everything is trial and error. Whatever works for you, works for you. I finally figured it out, and here is the final product.